Hello, friends. Welcome to the new edition of AC Share Market. Today, we are with our favorite topic bonus, dividends, and splits. And today, we're gonna see 10 dividend stocks and one rights issue and one buyback of shares. Let's explore the stocks. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and like and share. And please mention your valuable comment. The first stock of today is India Grid Trust. The ex-dividend date is on 27th of this month. The amount is not yet declared. And India Grid Trust is listed only on NSE. The stock symbol is INDI It's a mid-cap company with a market capital of 7,674 crore. The current price is 132 rupees. The highest is almost near to the 52 weeks high. The highest is 133 rupees and the lowest is 84 rupees. The stock P is okay, reasonable price 19.1. Book value is 86.5. ROC is 11 percentage. ROE is 13.1 percentage. So this is our first stock. The dividend is not officially announced and the amount is not officially announced. But the ex-dividend is on 27th. There will be a meeting. The board meeting will decide the dividend. And let's explore the other stocks. Second stock is Siemens. The ex-dividend date is 27th of this month. The dividend amount is 7 rupees per share. If you are holding 10 shares, you will get 70 rupees. If you are holding 100 shares, you will get 700 rupees. So the Siemens Limited, it is listed both in BSE and NSE. The BSE stock symbol is 500, 550. NSE stock symbol is Siemens. It's a large cap company with a market capital of 59,900 crore. The current price of the share is 1,680 and it is very near to the 52 weeks high, which is 1,706. The lowest is 947. The stock P is high, it is 77.9. The book value of the company is 267. Dividend yield is 0.42 percentage. ROC is 11.4 percentage. ROE is 8.29 percentage with a face value of 2. The ex-dividend date of Siemens Limited is 27th of this month. So that is our second stock. So the third stock, Indian Energy Exchange Limited, the ex-dividend date is also 28th January and the dividend is not officially declared, the amount is not officially declared, the board meeting will be on 28th and there will hopefully there will be a dividend. It is listed on BSE and NSE as well and BSE stock symbol is 540750, NSE stock symbol is IEX and it's a mid-cap company with a market capital of 7,296 crore. The current price of the stock is 243 rupees and which is near to the highest 52 weeks highest, which is 253 rupees and lowest is 111. The stock P is 40.7, book value is 16, dividend yield is okay 1.03 percentage. ROC, look at the return on capital employed. ROC is 57 percentage. ROE is 45 percentage with a face value of 1. So the stock number 4, Sundaram Clayton Limited. The ex-dividend date is 4th of February and amount is not yet announced and it's a mid-cap company which is listed on both BSE and NSE. BSE stock symbol is 520056, NSE stock symbol is Sun Clay Ltd and the market capital of the company is 5,385 crore. The current price is 2,674 and the highest last 52 weeks is 2,800, lowest is 970. The stock P is 22.6 with the book value of 1,228. The dividend yield is 1.16 percentage. ROC is 13.5 percentage. ROE is 27 percentage with a face value of 5. Stock number 5, Emami Limited. The ex-dividend date is 4th of February. The interim dividend is not yet announced. The amount is not yet announced. And Emami Limited is listed both in BSE and NSE. 531162 is the BSE stock symbol. And in NSE stock symbol is Emami Ltd. And it's a large cap company with a market capital of 21,565 crore. The current price is 481 and the highest is 505 and the lowest is 131. There is a big difference, which means if you might have bought the stock when the price was 131, it's almost grown four times. So in last 52 weeks it happened. So it's a very good stock. And the stock P is almost, it's overvalued. It seems 65.1. The book value is only 40. And dividend yield is looking good, 1.66 percentage. ROCE is 18.2 percentage. ROE is 15.1 percentage with a face value of 1. That is our stock number 5. So the stock number 6 is TVS Motor Company, and ex-dividend date is 4th of February, and it is not yet announced. And BSE stock symbol is 532343. NSE stock symbol is TVS Motor, and the market capital of the company is 24,368 crore. And it's a large cap company. The current price of the stock is 513, and the highest last 52 weeks is 534, lowest is 240. Stock P is 78.3, book value is 17.3. Dividend yield is 0.68 percentage, ROC is 13 percentage, ROE is 20.8 percentage with a face value of 1. Stock number 7, Wi-Fi Global, and the interim dividend of the ex-dividend date, the ex-dividend date for the company is 4th of February, and the BSE stock symbol is 532156, and NSE stock symbol is Wi-Fi GBL, and these stocks are not yet announced. The dividend are not yet announced except the Siemens. And the market capital, it's a mid-cap company with a market capital of 8,782 crore. The current price is 2695. Highest is 2,900. Lowest is 490. Look at that, 490. Today it is 2695. How many times? So look at this, how many times? Almost 5 times plus it has grown in the last 52 weeks. The stock P is 38.4 and the book value is 260. Dividend yield is 4.52 percentage. ROC is 30.8 percentage. ROE is 26.1 percentage with a face value of 10. It's a wonderful stock. It means Torrent Pharmaceutical is our 8th stock. The ex-dividend date is 15th of February. The BSE stock symbol is 500 420. NSE stock symbol is TORNT and it's a large cap company with a market capital of 46,701 crore. The current price of the stock is 2,751, and the 52 weeks highest is 3,040 and the lowest is 1,583. Stock P is 39, book value is 327, dividend yield is 0.62 percentage, ROC is 15 percentage, ROE is 21 percentage with a face value of 5. That's our 8th stock. And let's see what's our 9th stock. Page Industries Limited. Hope you all might about this stock. And the ex-dividend date is 17th of February, and the company is listed in BSE and NSE. BSE stock symbol is 532827. NSE stock symbol is Page IND. It's a large cap company with a market capital of 31,577 crore. The current price is 28,307. Look at the stock price. One share cost almost 28,307. The highest is 37,550 and the lowest is 16,187. It's almost double. And stock P is almost 167. The book value is 803. Dividend yield is 0.57 percentage. ROC is 53.5 percentage. ROE is 43 percentage with a face value of 10. It looks a very good stock, but the stock P is a little bit high. It looks like a overvalued stock, and the dividend is not yet officially announced, so please do wait for that. Please add the stocks in your watch list. Let's add stock number Philips Carbon Black, and there will be an interim dividend hopefully on 20th. Dividend date is 20th of January, and the BSE stock symbol is 506590 and NSE stock symbol is Philip Carb. It's a small cap company with a market capital of 3,243 crore. The current price is 188, highest is 190, lowest is 54. This stock as well has given a good return of almost 3 times in the last 52 weeks. The stock P is still it is okay for a value investor. It's 15.9. Book value is 104. Dividend yield is good, 1.86 percentage. Dividend yield, the ROC is 16.5 percentage. ROE is 16.7 percent, which is face value of 2. So that's all about our dividend stocks. Let's see one buyback news came. The ex buyback date for this stock is Nilam. For the company name is Nilamal Agro Industries Limited. It is listed only on BSE. 508670 is the stock symbol in BSE. It's a micro cap company. When you are investing in micro cap companies, always do thorough study. It's very risky game. The current price is 1418 and highest is 1562. The loss is 858. The stock P is very, very, very low, 4.11 percentage only. The book value is more than the current price. Book value is 2833. Dividend yield is 1.41 percentage. ROC is 10.4 percentage. ROE is 10.4 percentage with a face value of 10. There is a news about the buyback of shares from Nilamalai Agro Industries Limited. Stock number 12, last but not least, this is Emerald Leasing Finance and Investment Company. There is a rights issue on this stock. It's on 21st of this month. It's a very micro cap company with a market capital of only 12 crore. The current price is 13.2. The highest is 17.4, the loss is 5.73, stock P is 11.5, book value is 17, which is more than the current price. ROC is 12.8, ROE is 8.95 percentage with a face value of 10. So these are the 12 stocks, 10 dividend stocks we have seen. One rights issue is there, one buyback shares news is there. So these are the 12 stocks so far we have seen. Please do add this stock in your watch list. How it is going up and down, please do at least add in your watch list for studying, for your learning purpose, and in future you can apply this experience for investing, for smart investing. Always invest for long term, and wish you all happy investing. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and mention your valuable comments. Thank you very much.